Persons and my beautiful ladies on the days and all my dear friends. आयज बड़ी खोशी भोगता ह्या 10th edition of Asturi ह्या प्रोग्रामाक ह्या फंक्शनाक ह्या सेलिब्रेशनाक फेस्टिवल ऑफ विमेन वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग विमेन हियर हाका हाजीर रावपाक आनी बाय आशान आनी सोनालीन म्हाका कांय दीस पयले इन्वायट केल्ले. And it's so beautiful, especially to see so many ladies taking part, first of all, the participants, and such a big response for it. Na जाल्यार कितले फावटी आमी पयता स्टॉलां आसता पण nobody to buy things or whatever. So, but you have such a good response. I really salute you and your entire team for organizing this for women and for getting customers for them. Me as MLA, and I am now vice chairman of ESG also. What I can do for you, for us as women, I have a beautiful inox courtyard which I can give for you all next year or any time. Tell me when you all want, but it is not AC, it is open air. But this is what I can do for you all. Secondly, Amche constituency is a coastal constituency. Anjuna, Kaisa, Bhagador, Mairi, Kalangut, Kandoli, Baga. If you all want place over there, I can arrange for you all. Again, no AC, but nature for you. And besides this local clientele, you all can get foreigners and Indian tourists too, who will really you all will really get good clientele and customers. That's what you all are looking for, so that our ladies here get good business as well. So anytime you all need, just let me know beforehand. And now IFFI is coming this next month, and we are planning, still in the planning process at Kampal to have stalls like this, food stalls, all the stalls possible, entertainment and everything. But these ladies have to register, get the stalls through RDI, I think. So keep in touch. Let a few of them, whoever are the best or whatever, can come there too, because there, the full of India, the best of India, they will be there. So I can help you all there too. Women empowerment is this, where we give them a platform for them to get some returns on their investment, to get some market. Otherwise, आमची बायलां करतात पण मार्केटिंग जायना खूप फावटी. सोशल मीडिया असता कितें असता, but marketing जायना. It's so nice to see so much of clientele for our ladies, and I hope you all do well. Keep in touch with me for ESG courtyard, Inox courtyard, and the coastal line of my two constituencies. And दूसरे म्हणटा I really congratulate and hats off to you for really not only this Asturi, आमच्या दोग जाण बायलांक फेलिसिटेट करतात. आमचे वुमन ड्रायव्हर रथ बस या बालरथ बस आणि आमचे plumber. And these plumbers are so very difficult to get. आणि हे आमचे नाल काडपी रेंदेर and painters, we just don't have these people. सोदूंक वचोंक पडटा हुंय कोण हा. So I hope we get the number of this lady plumber. You forward it to all. And so nice of her to have men employed under her. It's so nice. And even she can be very such an athletic body. And he's like a volleyball player, volleyball champion. She can go into painting also. She'll have a team with her. She can go into so many of the professions where we don't get these men. वी हॅव टू रेंदेर जाल्यार सोडूंक पडटा तांकां 15 फावटी ताच्या घरा वचूंक पडटा आमचेच माडाचे नाल्ल काडपाक. इट्स सो व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट यू नो. या एंड हाऊ मच दे चार्ज 150-200 पर that coconut tree. So very difficult. But if these are ladies, are women folk, get into this business where they can share the number and just send the men across, it is so innovative. So very innovative. आमकां बायलांक घरात बसोंक म्हणून नाका. This is where they can contact the others and train them under her. You know, it's so very innovative. So by Asha, by Sonali and तुमकां सगळ्यांक all the very best in organizing many more such events. My help as a women MLA will always be there for you. And आमकां आतां आमचे प्रधानमंत्री आनी एम्पावरमेंट आमकां 33% quota assembly election as well as Lok Sabha election as well as Rajya Sabha election. Now our next elections are 2027. I don't know whether this process will be so fast because our census after this election, next coming election, 24 Lok Sabha election, there will be census, there will be delimitation. After that will be reservation 33%. म्हणल्यार 40 सीटांनी आम्ही 13 आमदार लेडीज असतली आमच्या असेंब्ली हॉलात. So our voice will be there. Yeah, and I want beautiful ladies and strong ladies like you to be there in the assembly along with me next election. And you know, this is what women empowerment is all about. हांव कितले फावटी हांव 10 टर्म 10 वर्सां सरपंच आनी 5 वर्सां वॉर्ड मेंबर म्हणून आहले, 15 वर्सां पंचायतीनी. आनी वुमन्स डे येता तेन्ना आमी खूब फावटी पयलां आमचे पासून फंक्शनांनी दादल्याक चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून हाडटाली. आनी भोव करून आमकां हांव जेन्ना आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून येतालो, हांव मुद्दम तेजे आयकतालें आमकां 33% रिजर्वेशन केन्ना असेंब्लीक मेळटा काय म्हणून. एंड रियली आय हॅव टू आस्किंग ऑल क्वायट आमकां रिजर्वेशन केन्ना आहा. नाल्यार महिलाच म्हणटात आमी, महिलांक सगळ्याक इलेक्शनाक सगळ्याक यूज करतात. फॉर ऑल द इलेक्शन्स वी आर देर. बट वेर इज आवर रिजर्वेशन? ऑफकोर्स reservation is not we are looking. I have not come from reserved category of election. It is I have come on my own and because of my husband's strong support for me. But once you are given that platform, once you are given the platform, there is no looking back for a woman. 2007 election पंचायतीन पयलेच फावटी निवडून आयले on a reserve seat. Next election 2012 I came elected unopposed. As a sarpanch as well as there were no elections in my ward. 2017 again, even to the last minute there was nobody to be contesting against me. मागीर हांव unopposed परत येता म्हणून आनी म्हज्या वाड्यातलो एकटो येयलो आनी फॉर्म भरले. And he got only 42 votes against 600 and some votes for me in my ward. So that is what it is. So once your lady is given the platform, I feel she gives her whole heart and soul and her mind and everything to give justice to that post. I'm not saying men are, because of my husband only, I'm into politics. Otherwise, politics was the last thing on my mind. Like I'm more than happy with my business. I was more than happy, but if I can do something for my society, if I can do something for my women, if I can do something for that, for downtrodden, so, you know, it gives you that satisfaction. तुझ्या कोसियसाक सॅटिस्फाय जाता आनी बाबा आयच्या दिसा हें काम केलां, त्या दादल्याच्या तोंडाक त्या बायलेच्या तोंडाक हांवें ताका स्मायल दिल्या. And especially when you are into politics, you have to give without expecting anything in return. That's where God's blessings are there for you. When you give without expecting in return, not even you must not expect even a thank you. Forget about the votes. You never know how you will get the votes because it's all in secrecy. So thank you for inviting me here, and all the very best to all the participants, and I hope you all get much more business in my Inox Courtyard in Shivali constituency, in Kalagut constituency. I'll be there for you all, and God bless you all. Keep smiling. God bless. Thank you.